Migraine headaches. Why does excessive drinking cause a headache? Anybody who has had a few more drinks than they perhaps should have will know just what it is like to have a hangover, which, amongst other things, invariably includes a sometimes quite severe headache. But what causes a hangover headache? Alcohol carries with it two particular problems for the human body. The first is that it acts as a diuretic, causing you to lose water and with it a number of essential salts such as potassium and magnesium. The second is that alcohol is in essence a drug, which results in significant levels of toxin that can remain in the body for several hours. It is this combination of factors which create a hangover complete with a headache, nausea, shakiness, fatigue, and various other symptoms. The precise manner in which alcohol acts on the body is complex, but there are two things which are important as far as headaches are concerned. The first is the fact that alcohol has an effect on prostaglandin, which is responsible for regulating pain. The second is the fact that alcohol causes the blood vessel in the brain to dilate. It is this dilation of the blood vessels in the brain which puts pressure on the pain sensors running along the walls of the blood vessels to cause the pain of a headache. And this is exacerbated by the effect which alcohol has on prostaglandin, in other words, reducing its effect in regulating pain. This also explains why your headache wears off in time, as alcohol is flushed from the body and your blood vessels return to their normal size. One important point to make here is that not all alcohol works in the same manner, which is why people often ask why they get a headache from drinking red wine but not from drinking white wine. As a very general rule, the darker and sweeter the drink, the more of a hangover and headache you will get. This is because such drinks contain a greater number of complex organic molecules such as methanol. So, if you want to drink, you are better sticking to things like white wine and vodka and steering clear of red wine and whiskey. There are several things that you can do to help cure a hangover, and one popular remedy is the hair of the dog. This does indeed work to a degree, but it is probably one of the worst things that you can do to cure a hangover, because it puts a considerable strain on both the liver and the stomach as they work to flush toxins from your body. Taking further alcohol will also provide only temporary relief, and will invariably leave you with an even worse hangover than you would have had if you'd left well alone. Drink plenty of water. Try to drink at least twice as much water as alcohol, to both counter the dehydration caused by the alcohol and also to flush the toxins from the alcohol out of your body. Take some vitamin C. A good trick here is to take vitamin C in soluble tablet form, which can also help to raise your water level. Replenish some of the essential salts you have lost. Eating a banana or two is a good way to do this. Take some sugar, as alcohol always lowers your blood sugar level. Take some form of pain relief tablet. You should, however, avoid standard aspirin, as this can irritate an already tender stomach, and look for a good alternative such as a soluble form of aspirin like Alka-Seltzer. Finally, get some sleep. A few hours of sleep can work wonders in giving the body time to recover. To discover more about headaches and learn how to avoid them where possible and to treat them when necessary, please visit the Migraine Headache Center today.